Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome to the very first chapter of our basic English speaking course. We are truly happy and excited that you have decided to join us and begin this amazing journey of learning English.
That's absolutely right, Mia. Whether you are a complete beginner, someone who knows a few English words, or someone who simply wants to speak more confidently, this course has been specially designed for you.
Learning a new language can sometimes feel difficult. You may wonder, can I really speak English fluently one day?
And perhaps you feel nervous, shy, or afraid of making mistakes.
But let us tell you something important.
Every fluent English speaker you admire today once started from the very beginning.
They learned simple words first. They made many mistakes. They forgot vocabulary. They felt embarrassed while speaking. Yet they never gave up.
So, if you feel nervous, please remember that you are not alone. You are exactly where every English learner begins.
In this course, we will learn together, step by step, slowly and comfortably. No pressure, no fear.
Just progress, practice, and confidence.
And today's lesson is one of the most important lessons in English because almost every conversation starts with two simple things.
Greetings and introductions.
Think about it. Whenever you meet someone for the first time, make a new friend, attend an interview, travel abroad, join an online meeting, or even answer a phone call, what do you do first?
You say hello, and then you introduce yourself.
So today's lesson will help you in school, university, work, travel, business, and everyday life. Leo, why are greetings so important?
That's true. People often remember how you made them feel during the first few seconds of meeting you.
Imagine meeting someone and saying absolutely nothing.
That would feel a little awkward.
Exactly. A simple greeting can instantly make people feel comfortable and welcomed.
It shows politeness. It shows friendliness. And it opens the door to conversation.
In many cultures around the world, greeting people politely is considered a sign of respect and good manners.
So, learning greetings is not only about learning English.
It is also about learning how to communicate with confidence and kindness.
Let's begin with the most common English greeting.
Hello.
Hello is probably one of the first English words that people learn.
And the wonderful thing about this word is that you can use it almost anywhere.
You can say hello to your teacher, to your friends, to your coworkers, to your neighbors, and even to someone you have never met before.
Now, everyone listening, let's practice together.
Hello, one more time, with confidence. Hello.
Another popular greeting is hi.
Hi sounds more casual and relaxed.
We usually use it with friends, classmates, and people we know.
However, when meeting someone important for the first time, hello is usually the safest and most polite choice.
English greetings also change depending on the time of day.
In the morning, we say good morning.
Usually from early morning until around 12 o'clock.
Afternoon, we say good afternoon.
And later in the day, we say good evening.
Let's imagine some situations. You meet your teacher at 8 a.m. What do you say?
Good morning. Wonderful. You meet your friend at 3 p.m.
Good afternoon.
Excellent. Now, imagine attending a dinner party at 7 p.m.
Good evening. Great job, everyone.
After greeting someone, English speakers often continue the conversation by asking,
How are you?
This is one of the most common questions in English. It is a simple way of showing care and friendliness. There are many similar expressions. How are you? How are you doing? How's everything? How's your day going? How have you been?
These small questions can make conversations feel warmer and more natural.
Here are some common answers. I'm fine, thank you. I'm doing well. I'm great today. I'm good. I'm okay. Not bad. And remember something very important.
After answering, ask the other person the same question. For example, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And how are you? This makes your English sound much more natural.
This makes your English sound much more natural.
Hi, Leo. How are you today?
I'm doing great today. Thank you for asking. How about you?
I'm feeling very excited because we are helping people learn English today.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Now, let's learn one of the most useful skills in English.
Introducing yourself. You may need this skill in school, at university, during job interviews, while traveling, or when making new friends. The easiest introduction is my name is Leo.
I am Mia.
You can also say, you can call me Leo.
These are all natural and commonly used expressions.
Here are full introduction example. Hello, everyone. My name is Leo. I am from England. I enjoy reading books, listening to podcasts, and learning new languages. It is a pleasure to meet you all.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mia. I am from Pakistan. I love learning English, meeting new people, and exploring different cultures. I am very happy to be here with all of you today.
Doesn't that sound professional and confident?
When meeting someone for the first time, we often ask, "What is your name?" Or the shorter version, "What's your name?" Both are completely correct.
Now we will practice.
Hello. What's your name?
My name is Leo.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Another common question is, where are you from?
This question asks about your country or hometown. Some possible answers are, I am from Pakistan. I am from India. I am from Canada. I am from Turkey. I am from Japan.
People enjoy learning about different cultures and countries.
And this question often becomes the beginning of a longer friendship.
Now we practice full conversation. Hello.
Hi.
My name is Mia. What's your name?
My name is Leo.
Where are you from?
I am from England. What about you?
I am from Pakistan.
Ha, that's wonderful. Have you been learning English for a long time?
Yes, because I want to communicate confidently with people from all around the world.
That is a fantastic goal.
Before we finish today's lesson, we want to share something very important with you.
Please never compare your English journey with someone else's.
Some people learn quickly, some people learn slowly, and both are completely okay. Learning English is not a race.
It is a journey. Every new word you learn is progress. Every sentence you speak is an achievement. And every mistake you make is a lesson. So never be afraid of making mistakes, because mistakes are proof that you are trying.
And trying every day is what eventually leads to fluency.
Now we have daily speaking practice.
Everyone, please repeat after us. Hello. Good morning. How are you? My name is. I am from. Nice to meet you. It is a pleasure to meet you. Thank you. Excellent work.
Now we have homework challenge.
Your homework for today is simple but powerful. Stand in front of a mirror and introduce yourself in English for 1 minute.
Say your name. Mention your country. Talk about your hobbies.
And most importantly, smile while speaking. The more you practice, the more confident you will become.
Congratulations, everyone! You have successfully completed Chapter 1 of our Basic English Speaking course.
Today you learned greetings, introductions, asking simple questions, and having basic conversations in English.
Remember, confidence comes through practice. Practice these sentences every day, even if it is only for 10 minutes.
Small progress every single day creates big results in the future.
Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us today.
We are truly excited to continue this journey together.
In our next chapter, we will learn how to talk about ourselves, our family, our age, our jobs, and our hobbies.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care of yourselves. Keep practicing your English every single day. And remember,
you are improving. You are becoming more confident.
And step by step, you are becoming an English speaker. See you in the next lesson.